Welcome to my video. If you are new, make sure you like, share and subscribe. In today's video, I'm going to show you the Popcorn Factory latest discount coupon that will help you. Go to my YouTube video description. You will see 10% off site wide using this coupon TPF10. Click shop now button. It will take you to the Popcorn Factory website and you can see use promo code to get 10% off, which will help you to save money with confidence. If you need more discount, you can see buy one get one 50% off using this coupon. Let's say you need discount coupon code for others website and service like this. Check the second discount link. Search here with any keyword website name to get coupon like this. So thanks for watching. Subscribe. They will also show you a pop-up give you 20% off if you enter your email in here. See you into the next video.